Now we see this channel. I do videos on YouTube about fairy tales, but his video is not animated. It's through pictures, some words and sounds. But his channel is able to generate revenue every month. At its highest, it can cost more than $3,600. That's more than $40,000 a year. So it's getting pretty good views. 30,000 to 40,000 on any given day. 67,000 plus views. So the daily income is the highest of the day. There are more than $200, close to $300 in income. We saw the content of his channel. His videos are actually quite simple, but we look like a very professional video. These bedtime fairy tale videos, most of the time, are suitable for parents at night time. A bedtime story for the little ones. Let's try to open it. A video of him. Take a look. What exactly is he showing above?
Jojo was lonely. She did not have any friends. She looked around. It seemed that everyone already had friends. Mama Duck had her ducklings.
We can notice that there is only text on it, and pictures, and the sound, and background music. So making videos like this is pretty easy. We just need a video like this can be created in 3 steps. Say no more. Let's get started with today's clip. Hello, I'm Timmy. My channel focuses on sharing ideas about AI making money and the topic of making money online. If you're interested in these topics, so be sure to like and subscribe to my channel and you won't miss my latest share. First we come to the AI toolbox. Found is AI writing. Write a fairy tale. Let's click open. I'm going to write a little bit about a little girl selling matches. On Christmas Eve, the story of the little match girl. What kind of story does he write? So this way, we don't need to know how to write in English. You can see him write the story. This writing robot can be very suitable for us to create content. After the story is written, our topic is the little match girl on Christmas Eve. The second step is text-to-speech. This tool can be found in the AI toolbox, and his generated speech is also very realistic. Of course, we have to set up an account when we get in. You'll get it for free when you sign up. There are more than 12,500 characters that can generate speech. Let's start creating. Click Create, then select version 2.0, and then I'm going to read the text sounds in sections. Let's listen first. Which one is more suitable for us to pronounce this fairy tale? Because I want to say it like a girl. Sounds a little better.
When the information we hear in the news is inaccurate or incomplete,
if you're feeling good right now or just even okay, it's a great...
After listening, I found the right voice. Hearing the second sound actually fits perfectly. We choose the second, and then take that problem. You put it in and you generate the pronunciation of the subject. Now I come to the story I just created. So copy the story. I'm going to paste it here. He's got all the pieces, and all I have to do is click here. It generates all the sounds. Can see? He's got all the sounds generated here, and then we need to download it. Break it up instead of downloading the whole thing. So let's go with the first one. Then break it down into pieces one by one. That way we can edit it later. You can see there's a zip pack here. You can decompress it. All of this audio is here after it was extracted. Then we came to, this is Canvas free editing software. This website is also very useful. We came to Canva. See yes video here, find yes. This is a YouTube video. Let's click to create, and then we replicate. This is the text content to come here. His app here, it has an app. Is text to generate a picture of an AI function of the program. Let's click add this program. Then copy the contents into the input box above. We followed the text with an anim style. Next we select landscape mode to select create. We see these pictures are very beautiful. To click in, we choose this one, and then we choose the second option. Just choose a template. This template can be applied to the picture. Fix him to this module, so we can drag this picture in. Cannot look a little more beautiful. Let's put this text in here. We can choose different fonts. Choose a different font, and then of course we have to take it. We need to get the whole sound in. Just pull it up. He can upload it here. We need to put in the first sound. And here's the first one, that's the cover of the story. This text can also be added. We gave him an animated effect. And a picture, you can give him one. How fast it shows. You can also adjust. So we just need to find We can copy the first paragraph. You're gonna keep going. Let's generate the first image of the story. Just paste this into this. And remember, this is anim style. Don't delete this keyword. To continue generating, do you see a lot of these pictures here? And the resulting effect is also very beautiful. We were asked to choose the one we liked better. This picture has to select different of these modules. We put it in to continue. Put the top of the text in. If there are too many words, you can break it up into 2 paragraphs, etc., or 2 pictures. We can copy, paste one more, and then take these images that you just generated. We can replace it in the second one. In the same way, we can divide the content into 2 pieces of content presentation. You can also change different fonts. Of course, we have to put in the second voice. Let's see how long it is. You can drag it to adjust its length. Because it has a longer pronunciation, you have to adjust his proper position. Get it adjusted. You can also make the text a dynamic effect. You can also make a moving picture. Again, we continue to generate more images. The whole story can be created in this way. We can also choose more style modules. We can see this style module here. You can create a whole story. And then the third sound. We see this pronunciation. It's not long enough and we have to drag it. We can download the video as soon as we make it. By Backstage on YouTube, find a more sad such a background music. And this background music, we can also adjust the volume. We can try it out. Let's see how it works.
Little girl selling matches on Christmas Eve. Once upon a time, on a chilly Christmas Eve, there lived a little match girl named Emily. She was a poor orphan girl who wandered the streets trying to sell matches to make a meager living. Emily, with her tattered clothes and bare feet, had no home to call her own, and her heart was filled with loneliness and longing for a warm and loving family. As the sun began to set, casting long shadows across the snow-covered streets, Emily found herself shivering in the bitter cold. She clutched her small bundle of matches tightly, hoping to sell enough to buy herself a warm meal.
Alright, when we're done, this video we can use the button above and then download it. The download is an MP4 format. And then we choose NB, then select HD, then click download, then make this type of video. Is not very simple, and you just need to have the patience to create and keep building more of your video content. Then you can be like him. To go through YouTube, to attract more followers and traffic, use YouTube to earn your passive income. If today's topic, a little bit of help with your idea of making money on AI, I hope you get a free like for this video. If you have any questions or ideas, let me know in the comments section below. If I have the latest idea of AI making money, I will be the first time share with you. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.